What it do, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again for a video, and in this video we're gonna take a look at triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities, and of course we're gonna do some live trades whereby I'm gonna show you how exactly you can do triangular crypto arbitrage and stuff like that. And then of course we're also gonna scan for cross arbitrage opportunities whereby you buy cryptocurrencies from one exchange and then you sell, cryptocurrencies to another exchange at higher price, and then the difference is your profit and stuff like that. So we're gonna do all that in this video and all that. So make sure you watch the whole video to the very end so that you won't miss out anything. So without further ado, guys, let's just jump right into it without wasting any time. So I'm just gonna put the password right here, and now that we're in, you can see that this scanner gives you triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity on the front page right here. So on Binance right here, it has got over 47 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that we can take advantage of. And Coinbase Pro, Kraken, KuCoin, Bybit, of course, and OKX. You know what I mean? So right here, seems like there's a lot of triangular crypto opportunities on Binance right here, and we can simply just connect our crypto exchange, and then it's just gonna do the rest, and this is automatic and stuff like that. And then of course right here we can manually scan for opportunities. So just have to put the password just like that. Then let's get it right this. So of course if you already subscribed to the channel, you already know what we do right here and stuff like that. Just gonna have to choose an exchange. For example, let's choose KuCoin, and the amount is gonna be, let's say, 150, like this. And then you want to see the top triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. But before we jump right into triangular crypto arbitrage, I also want to show you how exactly you can scan for cross arbitrage opportunities. So if you want to scan for cross arbitrage opportunities, all you have to do is to go to website and cross arbitrage. And if already subscribed to the channel, you already know this scanner is called Cobra scanner, and this gonna give you cross arbitrage opportunities. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna go ahead and then get the access. So you're just gonna scan like that and give us cross arbitrage opportunities. So as you can see, it says this is Litecoin to USDT, and you can also see the risk is medium because Litecoin is cheap in transaction fees and stuff like that. It's gonna be less than 1 cent. So if you want to transfer Litecoin from MEXC to Bitstamp. And another one right here, you can see we have got Doji. You're gonna have to buy Doji from AKX and sell to CoinCheck right here, and the difference is your profit and stuff like that. You can also see you're gonna make at least 4%. You know what I mean? You can also see the prices. And there's a lot of cross arbitrage opportunities, and this is actually the easiest one. I've been doing this, and I'm thinking of making a lot of videos when it comes to cross arbitrage opportunities. You have got Atom. Yeah, you have got Atom to USDT, buy from Bitbank and sell on Bitgate. You can also see the difference right here, and this is your percentage profit. You can also check on CoinGecko and stuff like that. You're still gonna have these opportunities and all that. You know what I mean? So you can also check right here. There's TRX, and you're gonna buy from MEXC and sell to this exchange code was whatever. Let's keep on looking, guys. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities right here, and they all come every time. You know what I mean? And this is a advantage of using crypto arbitrage, because it's easy and you're not risking everything, because you're simply buying from one exchange and you're selling to another exchange at a high price, and the difference is your profit. You know what I mean? So there's also Solana right here, but you're only getting 2%. You buy from MEXC and you're selling to Coinbase Pro. Of course, you can also load up more opportunities right here, and I'm using Heavy Crypto Scanner. The link is going to be in the description below as well. So right here I've got BNB USDT buying from MEXC. You're selling to Bitstamp, and you can also going to get like 3% right there. Good stuff. And the etc. There's Luno, Vala, and stuff like that. I made a lot of videos about Luno and Vala, like you buy from Binance and then you sell to Luno or Vala. You're still gonna make profits, and you can still find all those opportunities in this video. So in summary, it has found like 16 arbitrage opportunities, and average profit is from 2.5% going upwards. And you can also connect to 28 exchanges and stuff like that. You know what I mean? And these are international exchanges or global regions. And right here you can also see other crypto exchange. You can simply select the exchange right here to see exactly opportunities that you can find on that crypto exchange. And this is Triangular Crypto Arbitrage, you know what I mean? So this is a scanner that I've been using, always is always getting updated and stuff like that. And right now I'm just gonna scan for Triangular Crypto Arbitrage opportunities, and then we're gonna do a live trade right here on KuCoin, right? So let me just go back to exchanges right here and scroll down, and right here we chose KuCoin, and this is the amount that we're gonna put. And you want to see the top 10 Triangular Crypto opportunities that are available on KuCoin, of course. And this is a profit ratio, so we're just gonna go ahead and click apply. And just like that, now you can see that these are the opportunities that we found on KuCoin, right? So right here you can see that the first opportunity that we got is USDT to BTC, then BTC to ETH, then ETH to USDT, and this is the time you can see that I'm trading at, and this is the percent that we're gonna get, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna take the first one because it's the highest that we got on KuCoin. You know what I mean? So just gonna jump in my phone and take advantage of this Triangular Crypto Arbitrage opportunity live in my phone and stuff like that. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so right now we're on KuCoin, as you can see, and this amount that we're gonna trade with 150, as we put 150 on the scanner. So we're just gonna go ahead to Westwood and trade right here, alright, and then we're just gonna spend the whole available balance that we have right here to buy some BTC. Alright, as you can see, this is BTC to USDT, so we're spending 100%, and we're just gonna go ahead and click buy, alright, at the current price. So as you can see, we have placed an order, and right now we don't have some USDT, and if we click sell, you can see that we have this amount of BTC in our wallet, right? So we're just gonna go ahead to search right here and look for Ethereum to BTC. All right, so should be somewhere else right here, sorry about that, should be somewhere else right here. ETH to BTC, ETH to BTC right here. All right, ETH to BTC. So we're gonna we're gonna buy some BTC. So we're gonna buy some Ethereum right here using BTC that we have right here. As you can see, we don't have any ETH, so we're just gonna go ahead and click 100%, and let's use a market order so that it's gonna get filled immediately, right? And click 100% and buy some Ethereum. All right, and let's see, now we have some Ethereum in our wallet right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and sell this Ethereum back to USDT. All right, so let's search ETH to USDT right here, search ETH, right, ETH to USDT right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and click 100% right here, and then click sell ETH back to USDT. All right, so let's check how much money we made. As you can see right here, we successfully made at least 160 USD, and we started with 150 USD and made approximately 10 USD. And this is how simple it is to use Triangular Crypto Arbitrage and stuff like that. So if you want the scanner, all the links gonna be in the description below as well. And this was live trade right here on KuCoin. You can also check right here, we started with 150, and then now we have 160 right here, in USDT. So my name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly you can take advantage of Triangular Crypto. And guys, if you want this scanner, you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online or click the link in the description below as well. So I was using Triangular Crypto Arbitrage scanner, and this is scanner that give you Triangular Crypto Arbitrage opportunity for this trading that we just did. And if you want cross arbitrage and Triangular Crypto Arbitrage all together, and you're gonna get this one right here, and it's gonna give you access to cross arbitrage and Triangular Crypto Arbitrage scanner. You know what I mean? But if you only want Triangular Crypto Arbitrage scanner, then you're gonna go for this one. So all the links gonna be in the description below as well, including to this scanner, and you can reach out to me on Telegram or WhatsApp or anything, and all the links gonna be in the description below as well. And guys, make sure you follow us on Facebook, and because this is why we're gonna be posting all the crypto updates and stuff like that. So make sure you follow us on Facebook, currently on 12K, and this is the most followed Facebook account on internet right now when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So if you want updates when it comes to cryptocurrencies and everything, make sure you check out our Facebook page right here. So if anything I do, guys, I'll send you the video. Love and peace. Cheers.